Thought I'd do a little video of what our bedroom looks like. It's all made up. Looks real beautiful. Thanks to my wife, and it has really nice furniture in it. As you know, I made my bedroom set. It looks pretty cool. My wife is getting ready to go somewhere. I don't know if you've noticed, but my bedroom set has horse carvings pretty much everywhere. The end of my dresser has a carving on it. It matches that carving up there. It's not too straight. So I'm in the bathroom door all the time. So check out this side over here. That has a horse head carved in there. There's also another horse head. As you can tell, the wife loves panthers, and I love horses. So the next amazing thing is our bathroom. Amazing. All the rustic western stuff. My mom made those curtains for me. She put the black on there. That looks good. We'll be making a linen cabinet door, or medicine cabinet door, whatever you want to call that. That's beautifulness of remodeling the house. You see that's got all that nice trim up there, and we've got also a nice baseboard. We'll give you a tour of the rest of the house for Thanksgiving. I always hide the panel box that's in behind there. So we cruise down this hallway.
The messy table. It's Thanksgiving, so I gotta get everything ready to go.
We got company coming, so we'll be doing some work here, and there's some dinner rolls sitting over there, and I haven't seen that counter that clear for a long time. I don't know what she's working on with that curtain rod there.
The white curtain needed to be washed, so I'm soaking it in the sink.
There you go.
So it's nice and white.
Well, you all know we're a model railroaders in scale. I just got done finishing the town here. Not really finished, but did the lawns around the church and the post office. I think that looks pretty cool.
And we have our own YouTube website.
YouTube channel.
Our channel. It's called M&M Model Railways.
So, just wanted to do a little video for Thanksgiving. And we're watching TV, and there's our newly made display case.
Which is beautiful.
Got a lot of work to do on it.
Honey does beautiful work, as you can tell around the house.
Here's a door that opens, and this trim work. This trim work is going to need to be
temporary.
I'm going to put a new piece in there, but the bottom of the floor in the trailer house here it goes down in the metal and down over there, so I'm going to have to bevel that with a sander, take more out of the middle and less out of the sides, and that trim piece will fit in there. We're going to have to put some glass doors on here and some glass shelves, and it's a work in progress. And here's the gobble of the day.
good.
Giving it a bath. Gotta keep doing that.
Yep.
So we all wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and as you can tell, we are hanging out at the house today, and so hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.